Hello kids, I have so many colors for you. Let's learn colors name.
Wow!
Sky color, pink color, red color, red color, green color, blue color, violet color, light green color, orange color, yellow color, light pink color, brown color.
Wow!
Today we will learn alphabet. Let's start. A B B C C D D E F F G G H
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
H
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
I
With a here and a
I
here, a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
J J
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
K
And on his farm he had a pig,
K
E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, a
L
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
L
E-I-O.
M
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he
M
had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
N
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
N
E-I-E-I-O.
O
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his
O
farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O.
B
With a here and a
B
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Q
Old MacDonald had a farm,
Q
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and
R
there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
R
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald
S
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yes T T U U V W W X X Y Y. Z. Z. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. G. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.